creating a hazard for them.
Incident Federal Immigration Enforcement, Civil Disturbance Date, the 9th of October 2025, location Aurora, Colorado. ICE agents conducting an arrest operation were surrounded by a large crowd. Aurora Police responded to maintain public order. 2 arrests resulted. 1 incident report denied under public records law. This analysis focuses exclusively on the legal framework.
You guys out of here then?
I would. You gotta ask these guys, man.
We don't want them here. Get them the f*** out.
Why are you guys working with them? Why are you guys working with them?
Let's just make sure, sit on the perimeter and make sure nobody else comes in. Yep.
Are they going to make them move out of that parking lot?
Well, it's not our parking lot, ma'am. It's a public. Right, so unless the owner comes out here and they do that, then that's fine. You're all more than welcome to record whatever. Just please stay on the sidewalk, okay? Thank you very much. I understand that. Like I said, you're more than welcome to stay here. Just please stay on the sidewalk, okay?
Okay, yeah.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. No, I get it. I get it. I know. I understand. Just, I want to make sure that you're okay. Do you mind just going to the sidewalk, please? Just staying on the sidewalk. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah, I can stay right here. That's fine with us.
Matter of fact, that Jeep right there, part of the investigation.
Go for the real criminals and we won't be mad. Go for the real criminals and we won't be mad. Jesus is watching. People for no reason. Jesus is recording.
Stay on the sidewalk. All right, let them do their job. Let them do their job. We can't clear the street.
No, I said.
As long as they're on the sidewalk, they're
yeah, no, that's what I was telling them.
fine.
Absolutely.
We are U.S. citizens. We don't pay taxes for this. This is Nazism.
Hey, watch this guy in the face, man.
Authoritarian bullshit. This guys suck. I cannot believe
Piece
this.
by piece.
It's so disappointing.
Piece by piece.
Get out of here now! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out!
Just record them and pray for them. There's power in prayer.
I don't know why they blocked that driveway. I was trying.
Because this is the day that the Lord has made. Come on, somebody. He's good and he's good all the time.
All the time.
We're just gonna stay on the perimeter right here, make sure everything's good. That's all. Hey guys, if you guys just want to spread out.
She's on rapid response. But I
Okay.
haven't seen her.
Yeah, no, like I said, you're all more than welcome to stay here.
No,
That's fine.
We're trying to find out what the guy's name does tell his family.
I understand.
That's all we're trying to do.
Yeah, and I think you should be able to do that.
Back up, back up.
And he's not ready.
Why are you doing that? You're not even doing nothing.
Back up, get back, like everybody else. I don't care who you are, get back. Get back. Get back. You don't have to push me. I don't care who you are. I was backing up. Respect me.
Just stay here. Over
If
here.
you respect
Just stay
me, I
over here. I'm
respect
sorry
you.
That's happening. You stay over here.
Okay?
Thank you so much.
I understand that. But there's a right way and there's a wrong way. That's the wrong way to do that. Okay? You don't push people. Respect them. Hey guys. Get on the sidewalk. Shame on you! Shame on you!
What is Josh? What?
I said stay on the sidewalks on the perimeter right here. And if they need to get out, we'll get them out. Can we have somebody move that vehicle right there?
Remember this guy. He will be important later.
No, you can't.
No, you're not. You can't block them in.
They're law enforcement. You can't block them in. You still can't block them in.
Can't block them in. You want them to leave?
You want them to leave before they arrest people. Good try, though. That shit don't matter.
That's right there. They're the ones in there. You know what they're doing. You know what they're doing. Kidnapping, unity. That's what they're doing.
And y'all defending
And y'all ain't doing nothing.
That's f***ed up.
You can't fucking record us, you stupid bitch. Go for it, yeah. See what you're fucking raising your hand, right?
And just stay back here,
all
please.
unarmed people, right? Yeah, go ahead. Shake that shit, nigga. Take your club up.
Is this yours? Just give me a favor, pull forward. That way we can get them out of here.
Wait, hold on. They need to move out, so they're gonna use the tow truck.
Tell them to tow it. Let them tow it.
It's like $150 tow.
They're just moving in the front, relax.
Okay, but where? Over there,
Yeah,
it's gonna get towed.
Move it straight ahead for now.
Can you ask if she got the keys?
Who?
She's arrested. She's in the car, in the back of the car.
She's got the keys.
Yeah, it's her car.
We're trying to get that blue car moved.
I requested the female officer to come over here several times. She won't let me touch her to get her keys from her.
Because they're trying to move the car for her. Can I have the car keys, please?
Again, I'm in handcuffs. My keys are in my pockets. I need to be able to reach them. I don't trust the male reaching on me.
Okay, fair enough.
Can we put my vehicle on the street? It says you cannot park here.
You'll be okay. You got somebody that can take it from here?
Not unless I can call people.
That I can't help you with. But I'll make sure it doesn't.
I have my phone.
I'll make sure it doesn't get towed from here. Okay?
No, I want that in writing then.
I'll make sure of it.
I didn't get to come in like Spencer going.
Hey Scott, we're gonna need to move that GMC and get them out that way.
You just wanna go and block it off, and then just tell them to back up. Like close the road.
Get them to back into that parking lot.
Sure. Yeah. Hello, ma'am.
No, hello. I don't want to talk to you. Kick them out. Private property. Kick them out.
Well, you're in the public road.
I can't go nowhere.
Well, you need to back up.
I can't go nowhere. If I back up, you're gonna ticket me.
No, I'm not. I'm asking you to back up.
I'm asking you to back up. You just want to arrest people.
I don't want to arrest anybody.
Them out. Public disturbance. You're not kicking them out.
Okay, well, you need to back
You're
up.
not kicking them out. You need to deal with that shit.
Oh, yeah, there you go. Just pull forward.
Okay, sorry.
Just straight forward. Thank you.
With the arrested woman's car finally out of the way, ICE could now leave the parking lot. But this is where the real trouble began.
Get out of here with you! You work for us! Get out of here! You work for us! Get out of here! It's public property! Get out of here!
We're leaving. Free speech! I'm not touching you. I'm not doing nothing. Free speech! Free speech! Because they're trying to leave, and I'm trying to make sure that happens. They're gonna leave right now. This is the only exit. I have no idea, miss. Not from this parking lot. I need you. Please back up. Please back up, man. Oh, we need to make room for the vehicle to come out. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Yeah, man, make sure you back up. You gotta leave. Just back up. You need to back up. You can't impede. You spray them too. You can spray the cops too. Come on, boss. Let's go.
He's a Nazi, I'm telling you.
Let him go.
You guys fucking suck.
Why you hit me? Why he hit me, dude?
You're not moving out of the way. He hit me though, bro. You're creating a hazard for them. Just back up, please.
Can I get some more officers over there? We just had somebody punch out the window.
Back up. Back off. Back up. Back off.
Roll on yourself. I'm done.
Roll on yourself.
You got it. We got him. We got him.
Hey, Mike. Just right over here. Got cuffs coming.
Yep.
How are you not embarrassed?
I'm not.
You're not?
Nope.
The crowd is
continuing to grow.
Okay.
Stand up.
93.
Hey, roll over to yourself.
Yeah, here. Come over here.
Why are you not arresting him? Did he do anything?
Yeah, I accidentally punched a window out of an ice man. Lucas. Let's go this way.
Just take all of you guys.
Why y'all taking him? Why y'all taking that Nazi that we're having kids present? Huh? Why are you trying to fucking up your community? We pay your fucking checks. We pay your checks. Y'all got undocumented patient checks. And y'all ain't doing jack shit to fucking back us out. Nothing.
Those like windows are flimsy, man. Do me a favor, buddy. Can you just stand?
Is this your relative or?
We live right there, 629.
Okay.
You can go home.
You understand? We can watch.
I don't think he
crime.
does understand.
No, what
I don't
I'm
think
saying,
anybody understands.
when we witness a crime, we can't just pretend it didn't happen. You understand? It
I think
happened right in front
you just
of us.
witnessed a crime and you're pretending it didn't happen.
So,
Hey, hell, guys, they're illegally. I'm just playing.
come on, man. We're trying to be mediators, right?
I know you are, though, man. You should stop ICE, not with us. All right,
well,
you guys all good?
Yeah.
Yeah, we are. Hey, turn your sign. Let's hop out. We're going to go ahead and get to the back.
Hey, Sean, he's actively bleeding from the hand, so make sure you guys definitely.
Take that gloves on.
Make sure you've got gloves, like latex.
He's got a rope on his finger. Finger somewhere on it.
You better have your family on enemy line.
We got some guy over
When we go to war, when we go to war, you better be the first one. You better have your guard.
Stop. Stop. Stay away from his car.
Get that motherfucker. Come here, boy. Get that motherfucker needs to be arrested.
God damn it. I don't know. I don't know.
No, we don't know exactly.
He just said he needs to be arrested.
Going up to the car.
You gotta get out. Goodbye. Are we gonna have any more?
Where's the other ice guy? He went around here. Stay out of the road. Stay out of the road.
Do we have anybody else to go or just the one? Back up.
First Amendment, scope and limits. O U.S. Constamend. Citizens have a constitutionally protected right to observe, record, and vocally oppose law enforcement activity in public spaces. Fields v. City of Philadelphia 862F, 3D 353, 3D Sir, 2017. The First Amendment protects the right to record police performing their duties. However, First Amendment protection covers expressive conduct only. It does not extend to physical interference with law enforcement operations. Cox v. Louisiana 379 U.S. 5361965. The government may regulate time, place, and manner of demonstrations. Physically blocking a law enforcement vehicle constitutes conduct not protected expression. First Amendment immunity does not apply. 2P obstruction of peace officer, C.R.S. Section 188104, Colorado. A person commits obstruction when they knowingly obstruct, impair, or hinder a peace officer through physical interference or an obstacle. Intentionally parking a vehicle to block law enforcement egress satisfies all elements of this statute. Class 2 misdemeanor. Arrest Standard Nieves vs. Bartlett 587 U.S. 3912019. Probable cause, not motive, governs the validity of an arrest. Repeated refusal to comply with lawful orders to move a blocking vehicle establishes probable cause under Section 188104 independently of any political context. Obstruction of government operations. C.R.S. Section 188102 Colorado, physically surrounding federal vehicles to prevent their departure constitutes obstruction of a government function, Class 2 misdemeanor. Each individual who refused to yield to officers creating an egress corridor independently satisfied the elements of this statute. 2 PUs of force standard, Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S., 386-1989.
You're good? Back it up a little bit farther. All right. Don't run over anybody. Let's go down to Lincoln, and we'll take Lincoln down. Real good.
Where she can no longer be in the
Yep.
All right, Benjamin, make your way over here. Be careful, watch your head.
Hey, just step right here for me. We're just gonna grab the one. I got him.
Okay.
Yep.
Chemical irritant deployment during active crowd obstruction of federal vehicles is evaluated under this 3-factor totality standard. TP, criminal mischief, property destruction, TER, section 184501 Colorado. Knowingly damaging another person's property constitutes criminal mischief. Striking and shattering a vehicle window satisfies this statute. Severity scales with damage value under $1,000 class 3 misdemeanor, over $1,000 class 1 misdemeanor and above. Tampi C, assaulting a federal officer, Tampi Cs, 18 U.S.C, section 111. Any person who forcibly assaults, resists, opposes, impedes, intimidates, or interferes with a federal officer commits a federal offense. ICE agents are federal officers. Striking a moving ICE vehicle during an active federal operation falls within the scope of section 111. Penalty up to 8 years if physical contact occurs, up to 20 years if a dangerous weapon is used. 2T, civil disorder, organized obstruction, 2T, 18 U.S.C. Section 231. Using force to obstruct or impede law enforcement during a civil disorder constitutes a federal offense under 18 U.S.C. Section 231. Any coordinated effort to organize physical blockade of federal vehicles may independently satisfy this statute, separate from Section 111. Key legal lessons. Lesson 1. First Amendment has a physical boundary. Observation and recording protected. Blocking vehicles, criminal obstruction. Lesson 2. A single act can trigger simultaneous state and federal liability. Striking a federal vehicle. C.R.S. Section 18450 U.S.C. Paragraphe 111 plus 18 U.S.C. Paragraphe 231. Lesson 3. Probable cause is objective, not political. Refusal of lawful orders establishes probable cause regardless of protest context. Lesson 4. Local police have no legal obligation to assist ICE operations, but do have authority to enforce public safety and state obstruction law independently. Lesson 5. Incident report denied under public records law. Transparency in law enforcement remains an unresolved issue in this case.